to hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again. ¡Échale, Mariachi! ¡Nuevo imperio! Recuérdame, aunque tengo que ir, mi amor, recuérdame. No llores, por favor, te llevo en mi corazón y cerca me tendrás. A solas yo te cantaré soñando en regresar. Recuérdame, aunque tengo que emigrar, recuérdame. Si mi guitarra oye llorar, ella con su triste canto te acompañará, hasta que en mis brazos está.
Eduardo, Antonio, Treviño. Sophia, your hands are up.
Bravo, Eduardo! I mean, I am so happy that you made it to AGT because you mean everything. Your act is perfect. You're perfect. You are a star already. And I think everyone is going to vote for you tonight because you deserve it. You're going to be the biggest mariachi in the world.
Thank you so much.
Heidi, do you agree?
I loved it. You have such an amazing range, such a control of your voice. I mean, your high notes are incredible. I also love that you keep the mariachi alive and for all of us to hear. Thank you.
Thank you.
Howie.
Oh, you have no idea how I feel. I'm sitting beside his parents right here, and I'm feeling the pride, and I'm feeling the love. Not only your parents, everybody in this room, everybody in America is going to remember you.
Simon.
I am so happy for you right now because you're 11 years old, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, it's Simon. This is nerve-wracking, and you weren't kidding about that final note. And you know what I love about you? You stay true to the music you love.
Yeah.
And I really do believe this, that we are witnessing, remember these words, a star in the making.
Yeah!
Thank you so much.
Eduardo, why did you choose to perform this particular song tonight?
Because I just wanted to remember my legacy that my great-grandfather has left behind.
Oh, man, that's awesome.